guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today is a very late video. It is 11:30 p.m. I kid you not, my day began at 5:30 a.m. this morning. So it was a very, very big day today. And thank you all for your best wishes. It was incredible. And we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm not stopping the crypto updates. There is a lot going on in the crypto markets. I'm going to do a quick video tonight for everybody just to give you a rundown of what's going on in the markets and what my trading bots are doing. Pretty awesome stuff. So let's get into the video. There is quite a bit to go through on X, believe it or not. But we've got some interesting ones right here with Standard Chartered and MasterCard. You know, tokenizing carbon credits is an interesting one. Again, we've got Ripple partnering with Evmos right here. That is bullish. Interesting one, though, buying XRP rivals to literally turn $1,000 into $100,000. So we'll see how that one goes. Bitcoin ETFs are buying up big amounts of Bitcoin. There was like huge inflows coming in from Grayscale as well. So that is nice to see that. And we're going to go briefly over why Solana's price is moving up as well. So keep an eye on this. Let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very exciting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, I don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, ladies and gents, the formalities are out of the way. It has been a big day today. Top altcoins in my portfolio literally 17 hours ago. That's when I woke up. Ravane, Kin, Constellation DAG, Illuvium, and Talcoin. Very, very nice. And this is a really bullish announcement coming out from Hedera, Hashgraph. I mean, this is crazy. SKUX, right, or SKUX, the digital payments firm utilizing the Hedera network, has announced it has signed an agreement with Visa, utility bulls, to accelerate digital transformation for select merchants and consumer packaged goods, companies leveraging SKUs or SKUX payment-based solutions. That is all on the Hashgraph Hedera project. That is incredibly bullish, guys. Absolutely love that. Quick look at the markets today. We've got 2.39 trillion. It is back up. These ETFs have got big inflows, $98 billion in volume, 54% on the Bitcoin dominance chart, and 61. We've gone from neutral now, creeping back up to greed, which is a nice thing to see. Bitcoin sitting at 66,000 US dollars. It's up 2.63% today. Ethereum, 2,983. Solana's at 162. XRP's at 51 cents. Cardano at 45. Scrolling down to my favorites, we've got Hedera, 11 cents. 11 cents. That is an absolute bargain, in my opinion. Even the mention of Visa is huge, okay? Utility. Immutable X right here at $2.41. XLM is at 10 cents. These coins are cheap. VeChain still at 3 cents. Scrolling down, we've got Say at 55 cents. Algorand at 17 cents. Quant is at $95. It's probably one of the only ones that are seriously dropping, but I'm still bullish as anything on it. WorldCoin, $4.79. Let's keep scrolling down here. XDC, XYO, and Reef, bullish on these projects as well. Quick look at crypto bubbles, and yes, I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I love to talk about everything that I'm doing with investing, all my crypto buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots. I will be posting up there probably tomorrow morning because I'm absolutely exhausted, but the new bot that I've got set up on Bybit with 3 commas, again, much lower leverage. The deals have been adjusted as well, which really work well, and I'm going to show you that in a second, so make sure you stick around. Now, I've also clocked over 2,000 posts, so that's 2,002 posts of really valuable information. Also, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month, as well as the news before I go live on the channel. There is a chat feature in here where you can speak to everybody. Also, you can direct message me here as well if you feel like it. So it's a really bullish community. Go join up. We're over 920 members now. It's absolutely incredible. So go join up. The link is below. Having a quick look at 3 commas now. The new bot that I've got set up is literally trading 195 futures on Bybit. It's incredible. No BS. That's the profit that it made me, a few months back, which is wild. 1,395 USDT. So we trade in USDT. Again, I'm just set and forgetting these, and that's on 10x leverage using an RSI indicator. These bots are just wild. Absolutely love them. These are all the spot trading bots as well that I've got set up still on OKX because you can still trade with the spot market on that. So 2 exchanges. All the links and referral links are below for these. Go check it out. The Bybit one is working nicely as well. Quick look at that. Let's just open this up right here. You can see all of the trades that are open. I mean, we're literally trading a lot of coins. We've got how many deals? 46 trades open up in the long position. Very, very nice. 92 orders in the book, basically open and closing orders. I love it. And yes, I mean, the market's starting to pick back up now. And when this actually goes parabolic, I mean, when Bitcoin's basically like $110,000, these bots were just wild. And I was using that on OKX, everyone knows. But again, that change came in, so I had to make the switch to Bybit because we can still trade with leverage on Bybit. So 10x. And you have to keep an eye on your maintenance margin when you're trading on Bybit as well. If that starts to creep up way too high, you will get liquidated. So just bear that in mind, all right? So again, all of these deals, look at this. It's trading. Really, really nice to see that. So go check that out. Really, really love that. Also, I've got my spot trading bots. Today we're up $28. I know it's not a lot, all right, but it's still, waiting for the deployment of more capital because the market's still a little bit unstable. When it gets parabolic, I'm going to throw more into this. These are set and forget, by the way. So this has grown. Literally, in the last week, we're up again. It's been a bit flat, as you can see. But on the month, we're up here 250, which is nothing to complain about. I'll take that any day. So really, really nice to see that. That's with 3 commas, spot trading bots, all right? That's all in the Patreon. Let's quickly have a look now. I just don't want to keep this video too long. On the day, it is nice to see some absolute gems. Sui, I'm bullish on 11% right here at $1. Again, there were plenty of opportunities to dollar cost average into this. And just another one here I'm going to go in. 668% Solana is still my biggest gainer. This is incredible. It's up 6% today, 13 on the week, 21% on the month, $162. Absolutely bullish. I love it. Now, let's see if I can find Hedera. I don't know why this is not pumping at the moment, but it's up 108% this year, 11 cents, 0.7 on the day, 3.3 on the week. And 42% on the month. That is bullish. Love Hedera hash graph. Now, quick look at Standard Chartered, but this is an interesting one. And I know a lot of people would find this boring, but this is where real world utility comes into play, right? Standard Chartered and MasterCard complete tokenized carbon asset trial. Now, Standard Chartered Bank's Hong Kong arm has successfully completed a pilot and tested cross-border transactions with tokenized carbon assets in partnership with MasterCard. Bullish. The trial was completed under the Hong Kong Monetary Authority's FinTech supervisory sandbox, with the bank describing the move as the latest milestone in driving FinTech innovation and developing in Hong Kong. This is what I'm talking about here. Real world utility. The coins like I speak about all the freaking time on this. XRP, Hedera, Algo, Iota, XDC. Solana even is partnering up with Visa. I mean, it's an absolute no-brainer. Tokenizing carbon credits as well. Energy Web token for me is another one I'm really looking closely at because I know carbon credits are going to be moving onto the blockchain, and that project is definitely handling that. So keep an eye on that, all right? Now, this is an interesting one. We do have an update about Ripple and XRP, which is nice. Partners with Evmos to build XRP Ledger, EVM, or Ethereum Virtual Machine right now, which is nice. And Ripple's announced its collaboration with Cosmos Ethereum Virtual Machine brand protocol, Evmos, to build the XRP Ledger EVM sidechain. In partnership, they will also collaborate with crypto software company PeerSys right now, which is nice. Really, really good update right here. And the sidechain will give Web3 companies access to over 60 Cosmos SDK into blockchain communication protocol, or IBC, Comet BFT consensus engine strings, and decentralized application store. Building the sidechain also involved interconnecting the user community or decentralized apps and a network with more than 90 connected chains. This is bullish for the XRP Ledger. Bring it on. Now, again, this is an interesting one. I like having fun with this, but turn $1,000 into $100,000. This will happen in the future. I have no doubt about that, but people need to be patient with it. This is basically this article saying to buy the XRP competitors. That is Solana. I mean, Solana for me is an absolute gem. It's going to be absolutely beautiful and most likely will have a run like Ethereum did in the previous bull market. Go look it up. Crazy. So we've got Solana here. Cardano as well. Again, is the third blockchain leader, employs proof of stake system. The approach enhances energy efficiency compared to the older proof of work models. Cardano ranks 10th on CoinMarketCap, and Chainlink has become a vital blockchain abstraction layer enabling universally connected smart contracts by utilizing decentralized Oracle network. Chainlink facilitates secure interactions between blockchains. This is an essential part of any portfolio, in my opinion. Matic has emerged as a key player enhancing Ethereum scalability and interoperability. This framework improves Ether's capabilities without altering its core structure. That is very bullish. Polkadot, of course, and Filecoin revolutionizing digital storage through its decentralized network-based interplanetary file storage protocol. By leveraging idle storage worldwide, it offers cost-effective data storage solutions. So definitely keep a close eye on that as well. Having a look at this, ETFs are buying up big at the moment, right? And have basically seen their best day yet on Wednesday for the past 2 weeks with $300 million worth of Bitcoin bought. I mean, when people are fearful, these big whales like Pluto, planets, Jupiter are buying up significant amount of Bitcoin as well. But Fidelity's FBTC saw the biggest inflows at $131 million, followed by Bitwise at $86 million, which is nice. And ARK also had a good day at $38.6 million, with Grayscale seeing inflows for, this is crazy, $27 million. That is wild. Not going to get into why Solana's price has increased because it's just extremely bullish anyway. Let's have a look here. We've got money going into Solana, Ethereum. We have Phantom, Sui, Theta, Doge, XRP. Very, very bullish. Let's go to have a look at X, and then we'll end up on this because I'm destroyed. And thank you to everybody that's followed me on X. This is crazy right here. Look at this. Greg Kidd at XRP Las Vegas. I did go working for the Federal Reserve, which was the deep state to a poker game, and with other deep state players like from Google and Visa, and they're all talking about this new company, Ripple. This is basically what he said. Have a listen to this.
And it was like the Bitcoin ledger, but with 2 extra columns in the spreadsheet. One for the issuer and one for the currency. And thank you to Arthur Brito and David Schwartz for educating me about what the future looked like. And I got to go from history world at the Federal Reserve to the whole new universe that XRP and Ripple brought. Taking something, which was an innovation, Bitcoin, and making it something that could apply to every form of value in the world. And Chris Larson talked about the Internet of Value. I was hooked. I was the one voice that said, hey, you know, maybe we need some risk management and compliance. And, you know, I think Chris probably said, like, why? What could go wrong? And, you know, the rest is history. And Ripple, I'm very proud, has also been on the forefront of sorting out the public policy issues that hold this incredible industry back. And, yeah, I've been lucky. I've been a Forrest Gump approach.
That is bullish right there. Now, this is crazy. Actually, where is it? have a listen to this. This is a recent interview right here, but again, Ripple is a tech enterprise business company. We utilize XRP and Ledger to move, again, money overseas. This is what people need to understand. Focus on cross-border payments and real-world utility. Have a listen to this.
I think the UA has done a remarkable job in really kind of putting itself in a position to be the global crypto hub, right? You know, if you think from a regulatory perspective, the DFS...
One second, let me bring it back.
Interest. I think from a Ripple perspective, just to point out, you know, Ripple are a tech enterprise business company. We utilize XRP and XRP Ledger as a method to move and bridge currency cross-border. So for us, what we do is we take less of an interest in terms of like the daily kind of crypto movements and the growth, and more kind of zoom out, and we focus around building real utility.
Focus on utility. Now I'm going to end up on this one. I did retweet this, by the way. It's Raoul Pal. Where is he? Did I retweet this? Let me just have a look right here. I thought I did, but I probably didn't. But it was a really interesting analysis on liquidity. No, I did not. It's okay. I watched it before and I thought it was fascinating, but this is the ideal time right now, and the crypto market is going to increase significantly with liquidity coming in from all walks of life and major institutions. And we have come out of this crypto winter, going into spring, and interestingly enough, the peak of the bull market will definitely be by the end of this year, going into mid-2025. So people need to start making plans for this. I know it seems like a long way, but it'll be here like that. But anyway, I'll find that up and retweet that, because it's a very bullish analogy and analysis of the crypto liquidity at the moment and what's coming. So stick around for that. I'll retweet that. But anyway, bulls, I just want to give you an update. I know it's quite late, but it doesn't really matter. I'm really bullish and still dollar cost averaging, even though I'm exhausted from doing a few major things in the last weeks. I've been a little bit absent, a bit all over the place. But anyway, guys, I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Back to hopefully a regular schedule of uploading every day. And I'll speak to you then, all right? Take care of yourselves, bulls. Have a good night. Have a good afternoon. If it's morning, have an espresso, all right? Peace out. Bye.